Chess is a game for everyone. People all over the world play chess. It's a game of skill and strategy. Chess is like a brain workout. It makes you think hard. Learning chess is fun. You can play with friends or family. You can even play chess online. Chess has special pieces. Each piece moves differently. The king moves one square in any direction. The queen is powerful. She can move in any straight line. The rook moves in straight lines up, down, or sideways. The chessboard has 64 squares. Light and dark squares alternate. You place your pieces on the board. The second row is for your pawns. Rooks go in the corners. Knights are next to them. Then come the bishops. The king and queen go in the center. The queen starts on her own color. The beginning of the game is important. Your first moves set up your plan. Try to control the center of the board. Your pieces are stronger in the center. Don't move the same piece twice in a row if you can avoid it. Develop your other pieces. Section 5. Tricks of the trade pins. A pin is a special move. You trap your opponent's piece. You pin a piece to the king. The pinned piece cannot move. If the pinned piece is valuable, you can win it. Section 6. Winning combinations. Forks. A fork attacks two pieces at once. You use one piece to attack two. Forks are very powerful. Your opponent can only stop one attack. Knights are great for forks. They can jump over other pieces. Section 7. Secret weapons. Discovered attacks. A discovered attack is like a surprise. You move one piece to attack. But wait, this also opens an attack from another piece. Discovered attacks are very strong. They can win you pieces. Section 8. Sharpening your skills. Practice makes perfect. The more you play, the better you get. Play against different people. Learn from your mistakes. Don't be afraid to lose. You can also study chess books. There are many resources available. Section 9. The journey of a chess master. Learning chess is a journey. It takes time and dedication. Be patient and keep practicing. You can always improve. Chess is a rewarding game. Enjoy the challenge. Join a chess club or play online. Have fun with the game.